fries are already seasoned, but we're gonna hit these bunkies up a little bit more with chocolate lightning volcano dust, which includes stuff. I can't remember what to put on it now. Chocolate habanero stuff, ghost peppers, and Trinidad scorpion stuff. So Michael's just enjoying a regular fry right now, just to enjoy how tasty these are.
Oh, they're hot.
And release the ketchup.
That is.
Okay, that's probably enough.
And it looks, I don't know, it kind of looks like diarrhea, but it's all good. So yeah, this challenge is going to be different.
I know, right?
So we've got volcanic ketchup right here, which contains what they call the volcanic. God, I'm drunk already. Chocolate lightning hot sauce that adds a nice kick. So we have the. Oh, thanks, Michael. You can be my trolley dolly. Show me the product. Okay.
Do that first.
All right, Michael wants to try it with just Here we go. So here's mine. I only have two ends. Oh, it's got a nice kick to it.
It's got the good sweet, like ketchup does. All right, we need to kick it up.
So we haven't tainted our fries yet with volcano dust yet, but we've been eating the ketchup down here. Whoops. Can't do it backwards. It's delicious. It's a little spicy. These fries, by the way, we're in Stadia in Pearland tonight. These fries are absolutely delicious. They're huge and yummy. So, there you go. But it's time to kick it up, man. Kick it up, man.
Ghost pepper.
You can try one. It's on this side.
Right, so here we go. There's mine.
Is it spicy?
Do you want to dip it in there first?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh.
Maybe you got a hot one.
I was gonna say, how much did you put on there?
I just did a sprinkle. Guess you maybe. Whoa, hello.
Should sit.
Yeah, slashing's bad for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna cool myself down with a little bit of Fireball.
There we go. Down the hatch, Mike.
Yum.
Given this town lost the talk.
There you go.
Hey, there you go. Just showing up. All right, let's hit the back of my throat now.
It's
So,
this group over
We've already
here.
had white cheese, queso, nachos, 2 pounds of crawfish, now French fries. There's a whole new world outside of. And the service is good. The restrooms are clean.
People say I got a drinking problem, but I got no problem.
I'd slap you for calling me that.
We need more dust.
Say that again.
We need more dust.
Fishing about everything in there.
See, this video is going to be sadly lacking. That's a lot of dust, but it's going to be sadly lacking because we don't have Troy here. But Troy's going to be like, can't eat that.
Fry. Volcano.
Volcano.
Same old blue neon.
I'm enjoying it. It's good. But looking for more.
Oh,
Looking for more heat.
we can do more. I have Reaper ketchup up. Reaper ketchup for you?
See,
With volcano dust?
yeah, absolutely.
There we go. Alright, so next time we do seasoned fries with Reaper ketchup and volcano dust. But that won't be this next week because Michael's going to be away and...
Go on the rodeo.
Alright, Michael, what do we think?
Fantastic. Still need to go higher. Yep.
Anyone got a tissue? Because my boogers are dribbling down my nose.
Still going.
Alright, well, the ketchup itself is yummy. This stuff is evil. I quite like it. So next time we're gonna go hotter. Isn't that right, kids?
Yummy.
What
So were
about
the
the ketchup?
crawfish. The
What about-
crawfish were delicious.
What about the ketchup? I don't
Oh, the ketchup was sweet and yummy too.
Was it spicy?
Not really.
Oh, balls.